Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on building an online business from scratch. In this 3-minute video, we'll be covering the basic steps to create an online business and why it matters. Many people are turning to online businesses as a way to earn a steady income, work from anywhere, and have more control over their lives. But where do you start? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the process and be able to start taking action. Define your niche. To start building an online business, you need to define your niche. A niche is a specific area of interest or expertise that you want to focus on. For example, if you love cooking, your niche could be healthy recipes or baking desserts. Think about what you're passionate about and what you're good at. What problem do you want to solve for your customers? Choose a business model. There are several business models to choose from, but let's focus on a few popular ones. A product-based business sells physical or digital products, like ebooks or courses. A service-based business offers consulting or coaching services. A membership-based business charges customers a recurring fee for exclusive content or support. Think about which model aligns best with your niche and skills. Set up your online presence. To reach customers, you need an online presence. This includes creating a website or blog, social media accounts, and email marketing tools. Don't worry if you're not tech-savvy, there are many user-friendly platforms and tools available. For example, website builders like Wix or Squarespace make it easy to create a professional-looking site. Create valuable content. Your website or blog is where you'll share valuable content with your audience. This can be in the form of blog posts, videos, podcasts, or even live webinars. The key is to provide useful information, entertainment, or inspiration that resonates with your customers. Think about the types of content that would engage your target audience. Drive traffic and sales. Once you have a solid online presence and valuable content, it's time to drive traffic and sales. This involves promoting your website or products through social media, email marketing, paid advertising, or affiliate marketing. Be sure to track your results and adjust your strategy accordingly. Launch and monitor. With all the pieces in place, it's time to launch your online business. This is the final step, but it's not the end of the journey. Continuously monitor your progress, gather feedback from customers, and adjust your strategy to stay ahead of the competition. Recap and next steps. That's a basic overview of building an online business from scratch. Remember, this is just the starting point. Every business is unique, and success requires ongoing effort and adaptation. To learn more, visit our channel for additional tutorials and resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.